Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you natural anti-aging recipes that help remove wrinkles, fade age spots, tighten your skin, and prevent premature aging. No wrinkles at 65. These are 100-year-old recipes, powerful, simple, and effective. To prepare them, we'll use orange, rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural acids. It boosts collagen, brightens the skin, smooths wrinkles, and fades dark spots. Just put the orange in a blender and grind it. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you'll find lots of useful beauty recipes here. Thank you so much. Pour the orange juice into a cup and let's begin. First recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon orange juice, 1 teaspoon oat flour, ½ teaspoon grapeseed oil, 'Mix well. Benefits: gently exfoliates, tightens skin, and deeply moisturizes. How to use: apply the mixture to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on the skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water. Apply a gentle moisturizer afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments, what country are you watching from? Second recipe: 1 tablespoon orange juice, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Mix well. Benefits: brightens the skin and provides antioxidant protection. How to use: apply the mixture to the face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then with cool water. Finish with a moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon orange juice, 1 teaspoon yogurt. Mix well. Benefits: moisturizes, smooths wrinkles, and brightens dark spots. How to use: apply evenly to the face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Apply moisturizer. Use every day for a week, then continue 2 to 3 times per week. Fourth recipe. 1 tablespoon orange juice, 1 teaspoon shea butter, mix well. Benefits: moisturizes deeply and reduces fine lines. How to use: apply to the face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Apply moisturizer. Use daily for 1 week, then 2 to 3 times per week. Fifth recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon orange juice, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, add a vitamin A capsule. Mix well. Benefits: hydrates, soothes, and protects the skin. How to use: apply the gel to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Finish with a moisturizer. Use daily for a week, then 2 to 3 times weekly. Sixth recipe. 1 tablespoon orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, mix well. Benefits: cleanses and gently brightens tired skin. How to use: apply to the face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Massage gently into the skin. Leave on for 10 minutes only. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. Apply a gentle moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times per week. You can use these anti-aging recipes alternately or choose your favorite depending on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching. Stay beautiful and glowing.